As a customer, which one of those drinks would you rather receive? Should you be pouring latte art into your takeaway cups? Let us know in the comments below whether you should or shouldn't. In this video, I'm going to talk you through all the reasons I believe, yes, you should be pouring latte art into all of your takeaway coffee cups. Firstly, just take pride in what you do. Coffee making is a craft, and we're not here to just, yeah, we want to be quick, but we don't want to just pump it out and not take pride in our work. So people watching you do latte art shows that you care about what you do, and you'll actually enjoy your days even more when you do that. The customers notice too. That attention to detail is what they'll actually come back for, and they'll see it in your coffee, and then they'll see it in your food. And if they see you start to relax and be kind of quick and dodgy, they might not come back because they might not love that you don't pay attention to them, and it shows that you might not care about the product that you're giving them. Do it just so you can actually be better than other cafes. There's so many cafes out there that do just pour off the bench, just fill up a cup. There's no love to it. And it might be quick, it might be simple, but I really do think it's detrimental to their brand and showing that they care. So you can put yourself in front of other cafes, you can raise yourself above them by offering a service that shows that you care straight away. If you're serving food in your cafes, there's a good chance that you have a chef or someone that plates up your food and they make it look nice. That is part of the presentation of food. If I wanted to be fast and convenient, my food to come out quick and easily, it wouldn't look good, and you would get that in front of you and you would question everything. So why do we do it differently in coffee? Anyone know? Always let me know in the comments if there's any reason that you think it's worth just filling up a cup really fast and slapping the lid on there with no love. I get it, be quick, but we can save ourselves time on other things to improve the look and quality of that coffee. And when I talk about quality, we've got to talk about taste. When you're pouring latte art, there is a technique to it that is helping blend the milk. We don't want that crema rising to the surface. We don't want the blob of milk over the top. So getting a good blend of coffee and milk before you do your latte art does retain the flavor. It's consistent from every single cup. So if you are pouring latte art into your cups, you're getting a consistent flavor. And in that, you're also getting the chance to practice your latte art. It's crazy how many people pour takeaways really fast and bad, and then they get a crockery cup and they're like, oh my God, I don't pour latte art because I haven't practiced. You should be using your takeaway cups as your time to practice your blending and practice your drops and your latte art. Every single cup should be poured the same dine-in or takeaway so you can get that muscle memory, because it is what then takes you to the next level as a barista to be able to pour amazing latte art. Yes, right now you might have a job that is so quick and your boss doesn't care. They just want it out the door. But what happens when you get a new job? You go to a new place and you say, I've got years of experience as a barista, and then you're pouring off the bench and you're not doing nice presentation in your cups. That could be a hindrance to you getting a nice new job and leveling up your career. And I've got to talk about the psychology of tasting something based on what it looks like. Your coffee will actually taste better if the customer sees that it's well presented and it looks nice, and that will change their perception of the flavor of that coffee. So every little thing that you can add to improve the experience for the customer is well worth it. And don't be fooled. If the customer that you're pouring their cup isn't in front of you, it doesn't matter. Other staff around you are watching, and if you don't care, they won't care. If you're a manager or an owner and you don't care, you are lowering the bar of your cafe, and they will only try to reach that bar. So make sure you're doing it for your staff coffees, and you're doing it for everyone to make sure that you're raising everyone's coffees up, and other staff will watch you, other customers will see you pour other customers' coffees, and they'll think, oh God, I hope that's not my coffee. So you want to be impressing everyone in the room all the time. And don't think for a second they're not going to take the lid off. They will, a lot of people do. I will often get given a takeaway lid and I'll take it off and I'll give it back to them because I don't actually enjoy drinking out lids. There's a good chance that I'm going to see that latte art if I take the lid off. Let's not forget that it's the social media world. We tend to always have cameras out. There's always people watching and filming. I know in my life there's always someone filming me make coffee, but think of that when you're pouring coffees. It's a great marketing thing for someone else to film you while you're making coffee, and you don't want to be seen to just not be showing some love in there. So practice and be pouring on latte art, because you never really know who's watching. And then lastly, the thing that everyone wants is to be able to charge more for a cup of coffee and have customers value that cup. You saw the 2 cups at the start. What was your vote? Would you be happy to get that cup that was just filled up, slap a lid on? Or would you like to see a little bit more love put into it? Do you think they're worth the same amount of coffee? Do you think if you went into a coffee shop and looked at a menu, you would be happy to pay for the one that was just quickly filled with no love, or not? So perceived value is a big part of our industry, as well as great tasting coffee. We want to make sure that we're offering a service and our baristas are skilled. So am I right? Am I wrong? Do you pour latte art into your takeaway cups? Is it all worth it? Is it all about getting it out the door quick and making a quick buck? Who knows? Tell us in the comments below. Be sure to check out heaps more videos on growing your cafe, improving yourself as a barista. And if you want to learn latte art, we got heaps of different videos. So check out the description below for more links to other videos on latte art, so you can start improving your cafe experience today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.